Hey guys, we're hiking today and we came to Leatherwood Falls, which is also called Fire Creek. So we're down here and we won't go near the water. Monroe's swimming in the water and we won't go in the water. There's a bunch of people here, so she's like, what are y'all doing? But we just got here. There's a little place down here. I'm gonna walk over here so you guys can see the waterfall. And Bonnie had an extra waist leash, so this is cool. She's attached to me, so I'm hands-free, which is nice, videoing. And look at this. There's a waterfall up there. Can you guys see that? You can see it better from over here. We're sniffing and peeing on everything. She's like, people, come here, pet me. You're so cute. Right here. Isn't that beautiful? There's a big rock over there. What a beautiful area. Here is, it's a Nantahala National Forest Fire Creek picnic area is where we are. And then here's the map. It says you are here, and then the river, and then the trails. So I can't wait. We're gonna go over the trails. All right, so we're starting our walk, and you first go over this bridge. So excited. We're gonna head up to the waterfall. This trail is supposed to go to the waterfall. Here comes Bonnie and Tonka and Monroe.
You need an anchor.
An anchor.
Okay, wait, we'll take a stop. Put one of your digital generator on. Stop.
Look at this, guys. Oh my gosh. I'm supposed to live here. Oh my gosh. I would be so skinny all the time. Look at this shot. If it was warmer, I'd be right down there on that little piece of rock going around the corner, wading in the creek. I don't care if I'm in your video. Oh my gosh. Okay. There's 3 trails. 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 trails. I'm gonna go to the left. Hi.
Pretty dog.
Thank you.
I saw that picture on your back of your car.
Oh yeah.
They're gorgeous.
Thank you so much.
Look at them. Now this one is what?
Go baby, trailblaze. Trailblaze, baby. I have this waist thing on. She's pulling me. It's so cool. Oh, look, the pavement ended. Oh, let's go. She's like, I don't know, Mommy. Come on, let's go find the waterfall. Come on, let's go up this hill. Okay, stop. Collaborate and listen. Woo is back with a brand new invention. Something's got a hold of me tightly. It's Woo. And she's pulling me lightly up a hill in the woods. We're going to find a waterfall. Whew. Look at this trail, guys. I hear the river down there. Pull, mama, baby. Let's find that waterfall. Oh, you guys. Oh, I feel alive when I'm outside, especially when it's cold in the woods and running water, waterfalls. Here's some stairs and a path, and it goes right over to the waterfall. Look at that. Let's go down there. Okay, we came off onto this little side thing. Look at that rock. I'm not gonna go up there because it's wet. It says danger. Look at this. For someone scared of heights. Woo, go. Woo, woo. We're gonna go back this way. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. My calves are burning. We just went up a big steep incline where the waterfall's at. She is pulling me. Holy cow. Oh, look at that spot. Oh, it died at dead ends back here. Alright, we stopped down at the bottom. We're waiting on Bonnie and the dogs to come down this path. Go, Woo. Up the stairs. Come on. Yes, up the stairs. Come on, Woo. Let's go up these stairs to the bridge.
Can y'all go already?
Come on, Woo.
Now you stop.
Woo, go up on the stairs. Up on the stairs. There we go, baby. Good girl.
Slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down. Slow down, easy.
Good girl. Did we get this view? Did we get this view before?
Oh yeah, we got a bunch of freaking trees.
We got a bunch of trees. Okay. We have a view of trees. Okay. Okay, let's go. The trail's thin. It's narrow. Woo, go. Bonnie just fell back there on the bridge because she has two dogs strapped to her waist, and I just have one. And then Tonka pulls super strong, and she fell on the bridge. She's okay. Okay, guys, my battery's dying, so I'm going to end this video here. Thank you for going with us on our hike to the waterfall and our adventures, and this is wonderful. Thank you for coming along. Thank you for watching. Give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet, and have a wonderful day. Woo says woo out.